Hello, my little stars. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and doing great in your life. Let's start today's session. Shading is one of the most important skills in drawing. It turns a flat sketch into a realistic artwork. In this tutorial session, we will learn pencil shading from scratch using a simple spheres. Let's start. First, draw a circle. Now, decide where the light source is coming from. In this example, the light is coming from the upper right side. The brightest area facing the light is called the highlight. Leave this area mostly white. Next, apply a light layer of the graphite around the sphere. This creates the mid-tones. As we move away from the light source, increase the darkness gradually. The darkest area on the sphere called the core shadow. Below the sphere, add a cast shadow. This shadow forms because the object blocks the light. Remember, shading should be smooth and gradual. Avoid pressing too hard at the beginning. Build up the darkness slowly in the layers. Many beginners make the mistake of ignoring the light source. Always think about the light, light, where the light is coming from before you start shading. With the practice, you will be able to create realistic depth, forms, and dimensions in your drawings. Keep practicing simple shapes first, and realistic portrait will become much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your artist friends. For more realistic sketching tutorials, keep watching Artist World SR. See you in the next video.